1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago. But with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Ah! That's actually what's crazy about this too. I think that's why it's one of my favorite horrors, because it's so realistic. Because, I mean, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, that's so loud, is actually based on a true story. Do we do a tutorial? Or do we go into a quick match? Do we do a tutorial first? What do you guys think? Let's do the tutorial real quick. No, it's just tutorial video. Yeah, okay. Both. You're part of the family now. It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping. The family's way of life depends on it. Keep all doors locked. Make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump. The status of these items play a huge role in whether or not victims will have an easy path to escape. Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered around the map or by attacking victims directly. Feed this newly acquired blood to Grandpa to make him stronger and more effective. Oh my god. Oh my god! The stronger he is, the more powerful his sonar ability will become. Pretty soon he'll be finding and highlighting victims for the whole family to see. Oh shit! He's a radar. Shit on me in a few spots in game that I played so far. Oh, I'm so excited to try it out. Grandpa's the best killer there ever was. Well, sounds like he's crucial. Hunt down the victims using abilities and teamwork. Look for signs of movement and listen for noise. Pay attention to your surroundings and keep your eyes and ears open. You never know where one of those victims might be hiding. Abilities. Each member has a unique ability that can help hunt and track down victims. Okay, so Grandpa's a radar. I'm sure Leatherface does all the murders. Have limited quantities while others are on cooldown, so hunt wisely. Okay. Locate or find a victim. Make sure you have a plan. Try to set up ambushes or catch them off guard. The direct approach isn't always the best, so use your fellow family members when possible. Okay, so teamwork for both victims and murderers. Once your plan unfolds and get within range, hit him, then hit him again. If you do manage to successfully hit or execute a victim, take that blood to Grandpa. He's hungry and needs his strength in order to help you. Don't let a single victim escape. Alrighty. We're gonna do a quick match and see what it gets us.
A native of Uvalde was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was
Armadillo!
discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone.
Oh my god, how gory is it gonna be? Holy shit! Hey, that's me. I'm the cook.
I don't much enjoy this. Some things just gotta be done.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Okay. Video. Audio. Push to talk. Okay, we have push to talk. What is it? Hello? Hello? I wonder what it is. Oh shit, what is that? Okay. Latch. Padlock? Where am I? I need like a whole map. Oh, you can turn it off and on? Okay. Let me squish through! Can I not? Yeah, I'm a killer. I'm a killer my first game. Generator was turned on. Requires the leather face. Open. We're just kind of exploring right now. This is our first game. What was that? Oh no. Oh, I made noise. Oh no, they know where I am. Fuck. Collect blood. Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? We want to feed him this blood. Where's Subgoal? Oh, sorry, I don't have it on at the or up there. We're at like 182 right now. Oh my gosh. The graphics. Oh my god, why, like, I feel like this probably isn't a huge map. But because everything is so new. Ew. Oh no. Wake up Grandpa first. Shit, I'm making so much noise. So it's more difficult for them to make noise than you. Yeah. True that. Yeah, do you have this game? Does anybody have this game yet? Or not have it, but did anybody else get the key? Yo! Reese, thank you for the gifted sub. Gifted sub, hi. Let's go. Maybe? Yo, Reese, thank you for another 4 gifted subs. Hey. Thank you. I appreciate it. Look at how he runs, y'all. I'm gonna go get them. Where are these whippersnappers out here? I'm gonna get them and cook them up. Where you at? What is that? Is that me? I'm running out of breath. I'm old. And I'm running out of breath. Oh, I think it's because I'm running out of stamina. What's down there? Where are me victims at? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Victim noise awoken. Grandpa, where's Grandpa? Get over here! Oh. It's not, I think I'm on their team. How do I get through here? What? Ooh! Where y'all? Come back! Get back. Get over here! Where'd they go? And where is Grandpa? Oh! Where'd he go? Did he just run upstairs? Where you at, shitter? I want to let him pass.
It's gonna be much more for the worse if the others find you. I promise you.
Ooh! Disgusting. Are you in here? Squeak toy when I sneeze or hiccup. That's funny. Turn up brightness. Alright, how's that? What is this? Oh.
I'm gonna smack that Johnny upside his
Hi, Big Cat. How are you?
This is all his doing.
What's up, my guy? No! I'm your family! Leatherface, dear Nabby! You gotta go get the victims, man! Ooh, we're in the front field now. Oh! Somebody escaped! Oh, we let him escape! How could we let him escape? Where he at, man? Where's he at? Leatherface, you go that way, I'll go this way. Oh man, we're running out of breath. We're running out of breath. He took a car, I heard. No, there's no cars, are there? Wait, how could they escape if the generator's on? I need to know from a victim point of view, like, where they start off and shit. Peyton is lost. I'm 100% lost. We're learning. We're learning. What happens? Oh, God! Okay, so, guys, we're just testing it out, okay? I can confirm that we can hurt ourselves. So if you're a family member, you can hurt yourself by getting zapped. It does not... It's not just for the victims. Alright, where's this last victim at, man? They're probably hiding somewhere in the house. I still need to find Grandpa. What were you trying to do? I just wanted to test it. Yeah, let's get him! Let's get him! Where is he at? So, how many different ways are there to escape? You can escape through the front. Flipping. I appreciate you guys. Grandpa's downstairs? I looked downstairs. Oh, maybe it's because it said he wasn't awake yet. What's over here? They're gonna hear me when I go through these. That means you set off noise. You definitely don't want to do that as a victim. Is there anything over? Okay, so you can hide. How do you crouch? I need to know how to crouch. I can't crouch with any of these. Oh shit. Oh, I have supersonic hearing. Oh, okay, so if you right click on your mouse, I think that's what gives you your ability. Wait, there's right click and then what's that? What is this? Oh! Oh shit! This is insane! What happens if they kill Grandpa? Oh man, okay, I'm starting to get it. I'm starting to understand. So I clicked on my middle scroll wheel. Okay, my abilities are on cooldown. Okay. Oh, well that's helpful. Alright, we're getting it, guys. We're getting it. So we have 2 different abilities there. Alright, let's use that again. Oh, I wonder if he's out there. Get over here! I'm gonna feed your giblets to Grandpa. Oh, he got him out there. Oh, yeah. Let me in on this action. Let me over there. Oh, my God. Let me get a stabby stab in. Damn it. Oh, do a little dance. Get down tonight. He's so happy. He did the murder. Okay. Well, oh God. Escaped from rear exit, killed, escaped from rear exit, disconnected. Okay. Next match. So you can escape from the rear exit too. Oh my gosh.